Hey guys, and welcome back to Pizza Tower. We're doing the thing again. Also, I gotta remember to change my outfit like twice because I messed it up apparently. So yeah. Yes. Funny thing is, at the time I'm recording this, I haven't even. Funny thing is, at the time of recording this. Funny thing is, at the time of recording, funny thing, at the time of recording this video, the other one hasn't even been uploaded. Finally. Hopefully noise makes this level easier. Because it already is kind of annoying to do normally. Especially for someone like me who lacks a bit of common sense. Oh! Got them all. God dang it. It's fine. I don't really care about them. I'll get them later. Alright, cool. And I'm back. Finally, here we go. Okay. Okay, I see how it is. And I am back. We're over here now because well, no. I'll get the secret during pizza time. Okay, I screwed that up. But it's fine. Well, there that goes. There we go. We finally made it, beat the time. I'll get the rest of the lap too. Alright, here we go. And we got it. Here we go. Okay. Well, that's... And we're back. Second secret. Okay, I need to figure out how to do this first though. Oh, okay. And we're back. Alright, cool. Good. Get the pumpkin? Or the pumpkin's not there? Oh yeah, I already got it. Yeah, I forgot about that. Or did I? I don't remember. Okay, well there goes that. Oh, come on! And we're back. There's that achievement. And there we go. Pizza Scare Heroes. Yeah, that was kind of hard. Pretty hard actually, not kind of. That took me a long time. Anyways, now it's time for this. This is what don't make a sound. Yeah. And this one seems like it's gonna be a lot of fun. Here we go. I want to say this is going well so far. Well, that was interesting. Okay. I have to be careful with this one. Oh, there it is. There we go. Oh, this one might be close. Yo, what did I say? No, I am gonna have to replay this level for the pumpkin. That was concerning. Can I? Oh, I need to grab it, yeah. God dang it. Yeah, I need to do that. Yep. Wait. Okay. Oh. Well, there's that achievement. And we finally got it. Now the only thing I'm really worried about is time. Almost forgot about this. And there all that goes. And there we go. Alright, P rank, here I come. Ooh, that was close. There we go. And that's all achievements for, don't make a sound. Yeah, don't make a sound. Now it's time for the level that never changes. I actually still remember recording my P-rank video for this. the Pepino one. Okay, well. And we're back. Well, we've been back, but you know. Well, it's hard to tell if this level is gonna be easier now or harder. Now we got the bucket. It is easier to get to the secrets faster though. Rest in peace, bucket. Guys, Pepino real. It's the real Pepino. I gotta say, when making these tanks, who thought it was a good idea to make their ammo pizza? I think it might be like fresh, hot pizza. That would kind of make sense. I might actually be worried about time for this. When did I get John? Oh, I remember. Alright, now it's time for lap 2. At least movement is easier this way. But you know, the whole being faster thing. There it is. I realized Peppino had so many identical twins. Maybe every time you die in Pizza Tower, you play as a new Peppino. That's a fun thought. Yeah, Tom is my... Oh, wait. Never mind. Well, that was second try. Okay, well, that's very surprising. Okay, well now we only have 3 levels left. Yay. Let's do it! Now it's time for the... Oh wait, I forgot I'm not, I'm still recording, yeah. The man and the myth and the legend. Now it's time for the guy, yeah. Hey. Usually smoke over here, so what if I just... Huh. Give me a second, guys. I'll be right there. Right there. Here we go. But I think it's after you beat the game, then... Okay, so yeah, then I'll do that. Theoretically, couldn't I just get up here myself? Anyways... Well, also you can. Yeah, Pizza Face. Yeah, let's do them. Let's get it! I love a noise pizza. Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, this is really hard as noise. Now we have the actual hard part. This guy. He's just here for ratings. Okay. Well, I'll be right back. And I think we're back now. You're kidding. Are you kidding me? Yeah, this is pretty annoying. Bro, okay. How was I supposed to? Oh. And we're back. I pressed the button. Okay. And we're back. And we got him. Now this is the hard part. Kind of. Now it's boss rush. But it's fine. But you do get a break now. We're going. Kind of forgot how Peppermint works, if I'm gonna be honest. Is he dead yet? He is. Alright. Now this guy is kind of annoying. Alright, that bomb almost got me killed. Or could have almost gotten me killed. See? Got him. No, oh, that's a nice smile. Oh, yeah, yep, I lost it. Whoopsie. Wait, I need to, okay. Wogue. Well, now time to go into this. Now let's do it. Hold up. Look, that's where we came from. Anyways, yeah! Tower, pizza of Crumbling Tower, yeah! Oh, there's the noisy. Oh, whoopsies. Oh, there's Pepino again. Ooh, almost lost that. There's Mall Santa. There's Pepino again. There's a lot of Pepinos. I screwed up. Yeah, because... Yeah. And we're back! I probably could have done that better, but shut up. Oh yeah, we're back. Yeah, I forgot about that. Primo word time, yeah. We're not gonna talk about that. In fact, talk about what? 4-2. There goes Mort. And there's the P rank. And there we go. P-ranked. It only took me 8 hours. Oh, okay, well, there we go. Yeah, noise in time. Oh. That's lovely. Just gonna, you know, just, yeah, yeah, there we go. The views are in. Let's see what I got. That's a 100. Oh, it is a 100, actually. Okay. Well, now it's a 100 for both of noise. Oh, this is also 100%. Okay, well, let's see something real quick, guys. I'll be right back. Of course, there is one more thing we have to do before I end this video. This is gonna be hard. And we're back. Oh, well, now we're back to the level that did it. Saved it. There we go. I'm pretty slow about this one. There we go. Now we got the gloves again. Let's go. Gloves. And noise. Yeah. Well, now we got Mr. King Ghost again. Oh wait, it's this one. It's this one. It's this one. I just realized. I mean, I still got it. Let's go. I never noticed how dark these ones are. Well, not like really that dark, but like, you know, someone definitely turned off the lamp. Okay, well, you know what? That's fine. Okay, this one's gonna be... There we go. Let's see if I can flip all these cards. Okay, well. And I think we're back now. If not, then it was probably earlier. And you guys have to just sit there through awkward silence, but it's fine. It's fine. Okay, okay. Well, I'll see you guys in a... And yeah. Here we go. This one again. Oh, and this one again. Let's get some new ones. Unless they give me all the new ones off camera. That'd be really fun. Alright, this is a new one. Let's go. No. Or maybe it is. Oh, yeah, that is. I remember doing this one. On camera. Anyway. We just have to do this again. Two in a row, okay. Alright, making some progress. Finally. Let's try to get to the 20s. Oh, and it's Freezerator again. Oh, okay, and I completely missed that guy. Hope it's nothing personal. Or I hope he doesn't take it personal. Obviously, I know it's nothing personal because, you know, I did it. It's really personal. Yeah, whatever. That is a really high combo. Oh, yeah. There we go. Okay, I'm pretty sure I jumped for that one, but it's fine. Oh god. Oh no. Oh no, I do not like this. There we go. This one again. I don't like this one either. Here we go. Oh. Yeah, who's upping now, guys? Ooh, and this one, yeah. Okay, well, I have to be really careful about this one because one mistake could mess me up. Oh, okay, that's a mistake, but it's not that bad because it's recoverable. There we go. No, I'm dead again. Or dead. Not again. Whatever. That one cut it really close. Ooh, this one's really gonna bring up my combo from 133 to a lot more. Oh, thank gosh, those guys that died really quickly. Thank God, whatever. Oh, and I missed one. Well, he'll spread the word. There we go. Oh my gosh, oregano desert. Yep, this is gonna suck a lot. Especially because of the way that noise works in this one. Alright, there we go. This one, I just gotta take it slow, because there's no rush here. This one's fine. Recovered easily. Oh, okay. Well, I guess I'm gonna do that on each of those. Oh, yep, this one's gonna suck. Yep. This one, if I mess it up, it's going to cost me. Alright, yeah, 10 seconds. No, we're good. Oh, I already messed this one up before. Well, yeah, there we go. Oh, I thought I saw the double jump. There's the P rank. Just gotta do some, like 5 more secrets. I mean, I've been recording for 2 hours. That's a long time, obviously. But ooh, I haven't gotten this one before. I think these last 3 are all gonna be ones I haven't seen yet. Yup, I haven't seen this one in this playthrough, in this level yet. 31,000, that is a lot. Or this one. There's John. Okay, that could have been bad. Oh, I saw this one. And there we go. And there we go. Yep. Secret to the World P ranks. I took 1 damage. Well, I think this is gonna be the end of Pizza Tower videos or Noise Pizza Tower videos. So let's get to the good one. Here we go.